For the triangle ABC, where measure of side A is 6 units, measure of side B that's 8 units, and angle A is 30 degrees, find the angle measure of C. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we're going to sketch the triangle ABC. We have the triangle ABC. The side opposite to angle A, which is BC, will be denoted by the letter A in lowercase. That has a measure of 6 units. Then the side opposite to angle B, that is going to be denoted by the letter B in lowercase. It has got a measure of 8 units. And then we have the measure for angle A given to us as well, that is 30 degrees. Our goal will be to find out the angle measure for C. Okay, first let's note down whatever we've been provided with. So here we are given A equals to 6 units, B equals to 8 units, and angle A that's equals to 30 degrees. Before even solving, we need to check whether if A is greater than B times sine of angle A. Now, the way we have chosen is very easy to remember. All we have to do is consider the side that is opposite to angle A, the given angle A. So that is A here. It has to be greater than, take the side that is adjacent to the angle, given angle. So the side adjacent to the angle given to us is B. We take B and multiply it to sine of the given angle. So we need to check whether if A is greater than B times sine A. If that is true, then we can proceed. Okay, so here A, that is 6 units, then this must be greater than B, which is 8, multiplied to sine of angle A. So angle A, that is 30 degrees. Now we know sine 30 degrees, that's 1/2. So 1/2 of 8, that's going to be 4. And yes, this is correct statement, which means that triangle, there will be actually 2 triangles, provided A is an acute angle. So you can say that since angle A is acute, obviously it's 30 degrees, so it has acute in nature, as acute, and we have the criterion that A is greater than B multiplied to sine A. So there must be 2 triangles that can exist. Okay, 2 triangles that can exist. Now let's try to figure out the 2 triangles, which is going to help us obtain the value of angle C here. So here what we'll do, we're going to use the law of sines. The law of sines gives us the ratio. So we take the ratio of the side A to that of sine of the angle that is opposite to the side A. That's going to be the angle A. That's going to be equals to the ratio of the side B to that of sine of angle B, equals to the ratio of the third side C to that of sine of the angle C. This is the law of cosine. Now in this particular problem, we have the measure of side A and B. So what we'll do, we're going to consider the first 2 ratios. So we have A over sine of angle A. This is going to be equals to B over sine of angle B. So let's substitute the values here. So A is 6 units. We have 6 divided by sine of angle 30 degrees equals to B. So B here is 8 units. So we have 8 divided by sine of angle B. Now sine 30 degrees, we know that is 1/2. So 1/2, when it goes to the numerator, that makes it 12. So we have 12 equals to 8 over sine of angle B. So sine of angle B, this is going to be equals to 8 over 12. Furthermore, we can simplify to get sine B equals to 2 over 3. But what we need here is the angle measure for B. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse sine function on both sides such that we get sine inverse of 2 over 3. We're going to plug this into a calculator, and that should give us 41 degrees, 48 minutes, and 37 seconds. That is going to be the angle measure for B. However, this is not the only possibility. There is also another measure for angle B such that sine of B equals to 2/3. So the other angle is going to be 138 degrees, 11 minutes, and 23 seconds. So these are the 2 possible values of angle B. Because here we were specifically we found out that the 2 triangles are possible. So there's one of the triangle is going to have a B measure of 41 degrees, 48 minutes, 37 seconds, and the other measure for B is going to be 138 degrees, 11 minutes, and 23 seconds. Okay, now our goal is to find out the measure of angle C. So we can easily find it out because we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, let us begin. So we know that since A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, so that would mean that to find out C, all we have to do is from 180 degrees, we're going to subtract the sum of angle A and B. Okay, now A is always fixed at 30 degrees, so let's use this. So when A equals to 30 degrees and B equals to 41 degrees, 48 minutes and 37 seconds, that in that case the angle C measure is going to be 108 degrees, 11 minutes and 23 seconds. And next, if we have A equals to 30 degrees, that is going to be fixed for both of the two triangles. Angle B measured as 138 degrees, 11 minutes and 23 seconds. Then in that case, the measure of angle C, it's going to be 11 degrees, 48 minutes and 37 seconds. So we have obtained the angle measure for C as well.